Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying something new for my teeny weeny afro, and that is finger coiling my hair for the very first time. And to help with that, I'm going to be also trying anti Jackie's Don't Shrink gel for the first time. So let's see how that goes. I've also got one more time my spray can to help moisturize my hair alongside with a leave-in conditioner. So just watch the video and you'll see how I'm going to go through with this process. So I first of all sprayed my hair with the warm water and massage it into my hair and my scalp. Then I went alongside with the leave-in conditioner, and this is me here applying the anti-Jackie's Don't Shrink gel, and then I start taking my hair bit by bit and finger coiling it as you can see in the video. Oh my god, guys, look at the coils. I'm really amazed because I didn't know what to expect because like I said, I'm just trying this for the first time. Everything I'm doing here, this is just my first time doing it. So it's just like a challenge I put myself to and just say, oh, let's see how this goes. And well, I think I'm loving the process. It's really a daunting task, I would say, because it's not easy taking your hair bit by bit and doing this finger coil, but I'm determined to go through with this so that I can see the end result. So stick with me, guys. Let's see how it goes. At this point, guys, I was getting exhausted and my hands were really aching, and I was like, who sent me message? Oh, if you're in Nigeria, you know what that means. But like I said, giving up is not an option. So I'm determined to see how the outcome goes. But look at this. I'm really loving the coils. Oh. It's really, really nice. It's coming out well. Wow. So this is it, guys. I'm done with my entire hair and this is the outcome. What do you think? How do you see this? Is this something you would be trying? So yeah, I'm just giving a little part and I'm going to, lay my edges just a tiny bit. So I would like to hear from you guys what you think about this hairstyle. It's something I'm looking to carry at least just for few days, maybe a week probably, and I'll see how it goes. Is this something you'll be willing to try? And if you've come to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like. Please, I want to know your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, please, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share to your friends. Like I said, drop your comments in the comment box. Let me know what you think of this style. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless you. have a beautiful day, have a beautiful week.